Hi, I'm Marini, a Doctor of Medicine student at the University of Melbourne. Do you want to become a doctor? At the University of Melbourne, there are multiple pathways to get you there. So, how do you become a doctor? First of all, you need to complete 3 years of a bachelor degree, followed by 4 years of the Doctor of Medicine, also called the MD. That's 7 years all up. So what will you study? First of all, you need to study a bachelor degree, also known as an undergraduate degree, in any discipline of your choosing. Many students choose to study the Bachelor of Biomedicine or Science. Whichever you choose, you'll be guaranteed a degree tailored to your interests with the Melbourne curriculum and enjoy world-class learning and student experiences. One of the highlights I've had while studying the Doctor of Medicine at the University of Melbourne is being involved in the University of Melbourne Medical Student Society. I've been involved for the last 4 years and this year I've been the president. Another highlight has been the clinical placements. We get to do 3 years of full-time learning inside the hospital, which is a great way to practice your clinical skills and see what it's actually like to be a doctor. After your bachelor degree, there are certain entry requirements to be considered for the MD, so make sure to check out the course webpage to make sure you're ticking all the boxes. Once accepted into the MD, you'll join a group of passionate students taught by leading practitioners and researchers in the medical field. You'll get to develop a strong foundation of medical knowledge, and you'll be able to tailor that to your specific interests. You'll be able to apply this at your clinical school that's located at leading hospitals across Melbourne and regional Victoria. For example, I'm in my final year and I'm just about to wrap up my placements really soon. It's been an incredible way to connect with the community and with patients to learn as much as possible. So where will this degree take you? As a graduate of the Melbourne MD, you leave with an internationally recognised qualification and the honour of changing your title to doctor. The MD allows you to choose a path that helps people overcome health challenges and make a difference, be that by working in community clinics, large hospitals, research teams, or a combination of all of these. Let's go back to the start. So how do you apply? First of all, you need to meet the entry requirements for your chosen undergraduate degree. So get studying and ace those exams. Good luck with your applications and hope to see you at Melbourne soon.